Welcome to this tutorial on creating arrays with NumPy's full function. In this lesson, you'll learn how to create arrays filled with any specific value you need. This is a fundamental technique that you'll use frequently in data science and scientific computing. np.full is a NumPy function that creates an array of any shape, filled with a constant value that you specify. Think of it as a way to quickly generate arrays where every element has the same value. This is incredibly useful when you need to initialize arrays with default values or create placeholder data structures. The basic syntax for np.full is straightforward. You call numpy.full, passing in three parameters: shape, fill_value, and optionally dtype. The shape defines the dimensions of your array, fill_value is the constant you want to fill the array with, and dtype specifies the data type, which defaults to none if not provided. Let's break down each parameter. The shape parameter defines the dimensions of your array. It can be a single integer for a one-dimensional array or a tuple for multi-dimensional arrays. The fill_value parameter is the constant value you want to fill every element with. This can be a number, string, or boolean. Finally, the dtype parameter is optional and specifies the data type of the array elements. Here's a simple one-dimensional example. We import NumPy as np, then create an array using np.full with 5 as the shape and 7 as the fill value. When we print this array, we get an array containing 5 elements, each with the value 7. Notice how all elements are identical, filled with our specified value. Now let's create a two-dimensional array. We use np.full with a tuple containing 3, 4 as the shape and 9 as the fill value. This creates a 3 by 4 matrix where every element equals 9. The output shows 3 rows, each containing 4 9s. This is perfect for initializing matrices in mathematical computations. np.full works with different data types. For a float array, we can specify dtype equals float64 and fill it with 3.14. For a Boolean array, we use true as the fill value with dtype bool. For strings, we can use any text value and specify dtype u10, where u stands for Unicode and 10 is the maximum string length. There are many practical use cases for np.full. You can initialize arrays with default values before performing calculations. It's useful for creating placeholder arrays that you'll fill with computed values later. In mathematics, you can set up matrices for operations like matrix multiplication. In image processing, you can generate uniform backgrounds by creating arrays filled with specific color values. This function is a versatile tool in your NumPy toolkit.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.